Today we are going to talk about another basic concept, that is social order and social institutions. So first we will understand that what is a social order and how different sort of institutions play a role in bringing order into the society. What is a social order? Social order mean an order within the society. We call it as an order within the society, or you can say that stability within the society. Stability within the society. This is called social order, or how to bring order by controlling the society. So another word that I am giving you is social control. Social control. What does it mean, social control? Social control means that encourage everyone to conform with the society. Encouragement towards conformity, towards conformity. That's mean that tell everyone what they have to do, what to do. And on the other hand, another word that we used is called non-conformity. Non-conformity. It's mean that what not to do. By telling people what to do and what not to do, or you can say by controlling the behavior of the people, how to control their behavior by telling them what to do and what not to do. This is how we can bring order into the society. If everyone act or behave based on their own preferences, there will not be order into the society. The next idea is that who will bring order into the society? Who will bring this order? Question is who? And we gave the answer. The answer is agency of social control. Agency of social control. You can say the agency of social control, or you might use the word social institutions. There are social institutions, there are different social institutions that bring order into the society. That will bring order into the society. Now, what does it mean, social institutions? Another word that I am giving you, sometimes we call it as agency of socialization. Agency of socialization. Now, what we have to do, what is our target? Our target is to bring order into the society. How to bring order? By telling people what to do and what not to do. Who will bring the order? Social agencies. What does it mean, agency of socialization or social institution? There are different social institutions that exist in our society. For example, number one, family, media, education, religion, etc. There are a lot of social institutions. Now, all these social institutions will tell people what to do and what not to do, and through that process they will bring social order into the society. They will bring order into the society. Family, for example, family will tell you this is something you have to do and this is something you have not to do. It means that they are trying to control your behavior. So by controlling the individual behavior, they bring order into the society. Same goes with the religion. Religion will tell you this is something you have to do and this is something you don't have to do. Why they are saying that? Because they want you to control your behavior. By controlling your behavior, they want to bring order into the society. Same goes with the education. Now another questions that how they will tell us what to do and what not to do. Another concept that is, we called it sanction. Through sanctions, they will control our behavior. They will tell us what to do and what not to do, and through that way, through that process, they will bring order into the society. What does it mean, sanctions? Which is, sanctions could be a positive, sanctions can be a negative. Positive mean, you might say, reward, and negative mean punishment. Or you can say positive sanction or the negative sanction. Now, all these institutions will encourage you through positive sanctions. For example, family wanted to encourage your behavior, particular behavior. Family will ask you, for example, if you can get A grade in sociology, your family will give you a mobile as a gift. That is a positive sanctions, because they want you to control your behavior. They want you to repeat your behavior or to at least get that particular target. They are going to motivate you through a positive sanctions, through a reward. But on the other end, if you are creating a mess inside your home, you will be reprimanded by your parents. That is called negative sanctions. Now if you see, for the both sanction, either it could be a positive, it could be a negative, your family is trying to control your behavior. Your family is telling you what to do and what not to do. So by telling you what to do and what not to do, they are controlling your behavior. And what is the purpose? Why they are controlling your behavior? To bring order into the society.